my clip, I'm finna jump into my cutlass, bitch. Finna hit the track so I can sell me some dope and shit. Junk is fiending for that shit that MC Spade is selling. I'm serving one, I'm serving two, now MC Spade is belling. Them junkies know I'm coming cause they see them hammers on my rad. Get my nan cock cause it might just be a homicide. Bitch, I got to have me.
What's up, boys? We're on our way to LA. Hey, it looks like we're like 5 hours away. We're pretty good into the trip. I think what the plan is we have an Airbnb. We're gonna get there around like 10 or 11 o'clock. We're gonna hit some hay, and then we're gonna get up, get that bread.
When are we gonna get up?
Tricked everybody. We're gonna get up freaking real early.
Too early?
5:30 a.m.
No, we're gonna get there at like, I wanna be there at 7. I'm gonna wake up at like 6. Garrett's releasing some stuff as we're driving. Stuff's looking mad nice.
It's looking good.
Hopefully, I'm hoping to like get enough stuff that I can resell some and like make my money back on this trip, because I'm already pretty invested into it, so we'll just have to see where it goes.
For true.
Money coming in my pocket, bitches selling pussy on the block. Over half profit, police look at me as a young boy doing shit. Glock on my hip, got rocks, time to serve, bitch. People say I'm weak, but let me tell you, bitch, don't estimate. Some of y'all are cool, but underneath that, some of y'all are hate. Occupation selling dope, yeah, I said it once before. Why you hoes going, cause I'm throwing dick in bitches' throat. Ran around the town with my finger on the chrome, still talking on my fucking phone. Bumping Curtis Mayfield, riding by the cops, then they look, cause they all assuming, man, I'm just that nigga that's known for his business, boom.
Sentence me to death, they put a needle in my fucking neck. Bitch, I resurrect, blasting niggas like I'm Boba Fett. All of us on going, no, we do not fuck with disrespect. Don't give a fuck about your crack, I'ma run up in your trap. Rob a pussy for his life, he can't fucking get it back. Stab your brother with my knife, watch his guts spill that act. I don't care if you a mice, cause I don't fuck with rats. White bitch wanna ride my ride, her dad don't fuck with blacks. I got kicked out of school, cause I don't know how to act. Bob the builder with my tool, I'll still scrap, that's a fact. You rap cause you wanna be cool, I'll put my son on every track.
We're not trying to be. We just caught you in the mode.
Nah, you're chilling. I just had to go move my car.
You're surprised at this fucking line, dude?
Dude, it's crazy. I'm gonna go look around right now. I've seen it.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
What's up?
Yeah, I'm smoking on boo. Yeah, smoking on boo. Smelling like gas and shit. I'm killing your shit. Hey, I'm killing your shit. I do it on accident. I got a Mac, nigga. What does that mean?
Like since I first got here, bro. Yeah, when I was born, that was crazy. Garette was telling me, like, he's like, we're talking about yesterday too. Like, Kai asked, like how many people they had to show up for you to be impressed. I was like, at least the bus stop. And then I pulled up, it was all around the corner going down. Crazy. That's how you know you fucking beat it. It was.
Are there double XLs? Or just XLs?
I think it's just XL.
Alright. I just need
XL. It's one style per size.
Alright, I'm trying to get every piece, so I want double XL of everything, and then I guess I'll get an XL of that.
Okay.
This one's awesome.
What's the plan?
Dude, we're buying one of everything, because they only let us buy one of everything. We're buying everything out.
They're about to fill me up, so get ready.
Okay.
How much is everything gonna cost? It's gonna be like
You gotta get it.
No matter what, bank account on.
This is only.
do you want to your glasses off? And then you got the work jacket.
No, the work jacket.
Here you go. Don't worry, shit.
We gotta find this place out.
I got a work jacket. Hey.
Thanks, man.
Thank you, bro.
Thank you. Awesome. Thank you so much.
How much was your bag?
$780. It wasn't that bad. I thought I was gonna break a K though. But here's the thing: is I'm also paying for my girlfriend and my sister to all buy all that stuff.
Yeah, you're fucked.
Actually, maybe she's paying on her own, but.
Let's be real. You just brought your sister and your girlfriend to buy more stuff.
That's why.
And they're wearing your clothes.
Yeah.
So obvious.
My credit card only went up to 500. So I used my debit card.
Oh, really?
That's okay though.
What the?
Alright.
I didn't know there was levels to this shit, dude. Stun on everybody. Yo, this is hyper than the drop.
Oh yeah. That's one thing I fucking want to learn so bad. Yeah, see that one's pretty simple, but then like once you start getting into the doubles, but yo, there's kids who do 14. They go boom, 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 boom. They're like bouncing it up in the air, like juggling it off the ball. It's fucked up.
I love this.
Hello guys, pizza.
I'm ready.
Earl, what's nice? I got it.
Get it while it's hot and ready.
We're on our way home. Been driving for like, I don't know, 5 hours now. Sun's setting. This was an awesome experience.
Definitely worth it.
Definitely worth taking that.